Good morning children, I hope you are all doing good by the grace of God. Shall we bow down our heads and pray? Our Father in heaven, hallowed be your name, your kingdom come, your will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread and forgive us our sins as we forgive those who sin against us, and lead us not into temptation but deliver us from evil. For yours is the kingdom, the power and the glory forever and ever. Amen. God bless you all children. Take care.
Today we are going to see about the new lesson, nutrition and health. In this lesson we are going to see about what are the nutrients present in the food and how it supports our body. See, what is nutrition? Nutrition means the study of food and the relationship between the diet, health and the nutrients. Okay, so what is nutrition children? The study of nutrients in food and the relationship between the diet, disease and health. So listen children, first you have to understand what is food. What is food? See, food is defined as any substance. So whether it is get it from the plant or animal. Okay, see, of either plant or animal product consumed to provide the nutritional support to the organisms. Okay, see, why do we eat food children? So we need energy, no children, from the food we are getting the energy. Listen, it contains essential nutrients. Food contains essential nutrients which supports our body growth and development, help to repair the damaged tissues and protect the body from the diseases. Okay, see, what are the nutrients present in the food? Look at the board children. What are the nutrients present in the food? Carbohydrates, protein, fat, vitamins and minerals. Okay, carbohydrates, proteins, fat, vitamins and minerals. Okay, so listen children, during the time of digestion, proteins, carbohydrates are converted into glucose. Carbohydrates are converted into glucose. Proteins are converted into amino acid. Fats are converted into fatty acid. Are you clear children? Now let's see. The health is very important. Okay, health is very important. World Health Day is celebrated on 7th March. Okay, World Health Day is celebrated on 7th March. Don't forget. Now let us see one by one. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are energy giving food which contains glucose. Okay, so carbohydrates are organic substance. Organic substance means what? Get it from the plants and animals. It contains carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Are you clear children? Carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. See, in the carbohydrates contain sugar molecules. What are the sugar molecules are present in the carbohydrates children? Glucose, sucrose, lactose, fructose. Okay, so many sugar molecules are present. Based on the sugar molecules, it is classified into 3 types. Based on the sugar molecules, it is classified into 3 types. What are they? They are monosaccharides, disaccharides and polysaccharides. Monosaccharides, disaccharides and polysaccharides. What is monosaccharide children? Monosaccharides are simple sugar. Simple sugar, that means glucose. Okay, disaccharides means 2 or more monosaccharides are joined together to form the disaccharides. Okay, polysaccharides means many glucose, that means the monosaccharides together to form the polysaccharides. Are you clear children? Now you have to understand what are the sources of carbohydrates. Okay, so look at the sources children. Rice, meat, millet, maize, all the nuts contains carbohydrates. Are you clear? Carbohydrates are energy giving food. Carbohydrates contains carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Okay, now let us see about the proteins. So next one is proteins. So first of all you have to understand children, during the time of digestion proteins are converted into amino acid. There is 9 amino acids are present. So listen children, proteins are essential nutrients which is otherwise called as building block of the body. What are the importance of protein, children? So it helps to repair the damaged tissues and also support the growth. Okay, and protein is an important building block of bones, cartilages, skin and the blood. Okay, so already I said there are 9 important amino acids are present in the protein. So look at the board, children. See the phenylalanine, valine, threonine, tryptophan, methionine, leucine, isoleucine, lysine, histidine. So these are the 9 amino acids, okay, which is very important for our growth and development. Okay, now let us see the sources of proteins. Look at the sources, children. Milk, egg, all the meat contains rich protein. Okay, milk, meat, egg and nuts also, which contains large amount of proteins. Are you clear, children? See, protein deficiency leads to the diseases like kwashiorkor and marasmus. Kwashiorkor and marasmus. Look at the picture, children. Kwashiorkor. See the symptoms. The symptoms of kwashiorkor is inability to grow. Okay, they don't have the proper growth according to the age wise. Okay, then they lose their weight. Okay, and also swelling the hands and bulging the stomach. So look at the stomach, children. Okay, this is a symptoms of kwashiorkor. Like says, listen, children, it affects the children between 1 to 5 years of age whose diet mainly consists of carbohydrates but lack in protein. Okay, suppose they took a large amount of carbohydrates, they avoid the protein, means they may get this kinds of diseases. Are you clear, children? The next one is marasmus. See, marasmus, it usually affects the infants below the age of 1 year. Below the age of 1 year, when the diet is poor in carbohydrates and fats and proteins. Okay, so listen, children, the symptoms of marasmus. So look at the picture, children. Weight loss, dehydration. What is dehydration? Loss of water, then stomach shrinkage and diarrhea. Diarrhea means what? Loose motion. Okay, these two are the deficiency of protein. Okay, lack of protein. So next one is fat. Next one is fat. The next one is fat. Fat provides energy to the body. Okay, it helps to maintain the cell structure and involve the metabolic function. Metabolic function means what? Biochemical reaction which takes place in the cell. Okay, then the essential fat is converted into fatty acid, as I already said. Okay, the essential fatty acid omega-3. Okay, omega-3, which helps to prevent the heart diseases and support the nervous system. Are you clear, children? Now, can you tell the sources of omega-3 or fat? Okay, see all the oil, ghee, likewise butter, all the vegetable oils contains rich in fat. Okay, then the next one is vitamins. Next one is vitamins. See, the vitamins are vital nutrients. Vital nutrients means very important nutrients required in small quantities. Okay, which helps in the specific physiological and biochemical functions. Okay, see, physiological function means internal functions, respiration, circulation, digestion, and also the biochemical functions. Already I said biochemical function means metabolic functions, reactions, okay, which takes place in the cell, Are you clear? There are 2 types of vitamins, fat soluble vitamins and water soluble vitamins. What are the 2 types of vitamins? Fat soluble vitamins and water soluble vitamins. Fat soluble vitamins are vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E and vitamin K. Okay, so water soluble vitamins are vitamin B and C. Okay, totally how many vitamins are there? 6 vitamins are there. Okay, fat soluble vitamins, water soluble vitamins. See, let us see the Fat soluble vitamins, vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E and vitamin K are the fat soluble vitamins. Okay. So listen children, vitamin C is otherwise called as retinol, okay, which is rich in carrot, papaya, leafy vegetable, fish liver oil and liver. The deficiency disorder is xerophthalmia and nyctalopia. Xerophthalmia and nyctalopia. So listen children, xero means try, okay, phthalmia means eye. Dryness of cornea. So the symptom is eyes fail to produce the tears, okay. Then unable to see in the nyctalopia, night blindness means what? Unable to see in the night, okay, unable to see in the night. Then the next one is vitamin D. It is called as calciferol. It is rich in egg, liver, dairy products. Dairy products means all the milk products, okay, fish. And also it is prepared by the skin, okay, by the sunlight. So it is called as a sunshine vitamin. Vitamin D is otherwise called as sunshine vitamin, okay. So the deficiency disease is rickets, okay, rickets in children. So their legs are bowed and defective ribs, development of pigeon chest, okay, because of the lack of calcium. So next one is vitamin E. Its name is tocopherol, okay. It is rich in whole wheat, meat, vegetable oil and milk. The deficiency disorder of vitamin E is sterility and reproductive abnormality. Sterility means what? Inability to reproduce, okay. Vitamin K, which is called as derivative of quinine. Quinine is nothing children, it's prepared from the cinchona bark, okay. Then it's rich in leafy vegetables, soya beans, milk. Deficiency disorder of vitamin K is blood clotting, okay, is prevented. So the symptom is excessive bleeding due to the delayed blood clotting. Are you clear children? Vitamin A disorder, nyctalopia, look at their eyes, which is night blindness, okay. Then the vitamin D, rickets, look at their bones, okay. So listen children, excessive bleeding, okay, vitamin K helps to prevent the blood clotting, okay. See the next type is water soluble vitamins. Water soluble vitamins are vitamin B and vitamin C. Under this vitamin B, you have to see vitamin B1, vitamin B2, B3, vitamin B6 and vitamin B12, okay. Then vitamin C. See the vitamin B1, thiamine, okay, it's rich in whole grains, yeast, liver, egg, sprouted pulses. Sprouted pulses means what? Germinated pulses. Mulai kattina pair. Okay. Then its deficiency disorder is beriberi. Okay. Beriberi. Beriberi means degenerative changes in nerves. We can't walk properly. We can't talk properly. Okay. Muscles becomes weak and paralysis. Paralysis means unable to walk. Okay. Then the next one is a vitamin B2, riboflavin, okay. It's rich in milk, eggs, liver, green vegetables, whole grains, okay. Its deficiency disorder is riboflavinosis, okay, irritation of eyes, dry skin, inflammation of lips. So its deficiency disorder is irritation of eyes, dry skin, inflammation of lips, okay. Inflammation means swelling of lips. Are you clear? Then the next one is vitamin B3, niacin, okay. It's rich in milk, eggs, liver, meat, groundnuts, okay. Its deficiency disorder is pellagra, inflammation of skin, loss of memory and diarrhea. Next one is vitamin B6, okay, pyridoxine. It is rich in meat, fish, eggs, grains and cereals. Its deficiency disorder is dermatitis, okay. The symptoms are scaly skin, nervous disorders. So look at the picture. Look at the skin children. Almost all the vitamins are present in milk, meat, fish and egg, okay. Then its deficiency disorder is pernicious anemia. So decrease in red blood cells, okay. Decrease in red blood cells, then degeneration of spinal cord. So it will damage the spinal cord. Then the last one is the vitamin C, ascorbic acid. Last one is vitamin C, ascorbic acid. It is rich in leafy vegetables, sprouts, citrus fruits like gooseberry, lemon, orange. All the citrus fruits are rich in vitamin C. So, lemon, orange, so all the citrus fruits. Okay. Then its deficiency disorder is scurvy. Okay. Then next its symptom is swollen and bleeding comes. Delay in healing of wounds, teeth, bones malformed. Malformed means not probably formed. Okay. So, look at the picture, children. Bleeding gums. So, next one is the minerals. Okay. Minerals are the inorganic substances. Inorganic substances means what? Formed from natural process or made from the lab. Record as an essential nutrient by organism to perform various biological functions. Biological function means what? All the metabolic reactions. Okay. See, based on the need of these minerals, it is classified into two types. One is a macro minerals, another one is a micro minerals. Macro minerals and another one is a micro minerals. See, the macro minerals recorded by the human body are calcium, phosphorus, potassium. Calcium, phosphorus and potassium, sodium and magnesium. Okay, these are the macronutrients. We needed large amounts. The next one is a micro minerals. Micro minerals are recorded by the human body are sulfur, iron, chlorine, cobalt, copper, zinc, manganese, molybdenum and iodine. Okay, which are all needed by small quantities. Small quantity means micro minerals. If it is need large quantity means macro minerals. Let us see some minerals and sources and its sources, functions and deficiency disorders. First one is a calcium. Calcium. Dairy products, beans. Calcium is rich in dairy products, beans, cabbage, eggs, fish. Okay. Dairy products means what? All the milk products. Okay. Its function is constituent of bones and enamel of teeth, teeth enamel you know, then clotting of blood, okay, which helps in the clotting of blood. The next one is a deficiency disorder of calcium is bone deformities, poor skeletal growth, osteoporosis in adult. Osteoporosis means what? Bones become weak, bones become weak. The next one is a sodium. It is present in the common salt. Okay, the common salt. It maintains fluid balance and involved in neurotransmission. Neurotransmission is nothing but children. Neurons help to transfer the messages. Okay, so in the common salt support to transfer the messages. Then next one is it's a deficiency disorder of sodium is muscular cramps. So whenever suppose we turn immediately means we got the pain in some places, no. So because of this neurotransmission, muscular cramps, nerve impulses do not get transmitted. Okay, nerve impulses do not get transmitted. The next one is a potassium. It is rich in banana, sweet potato, nuts, gold grains, citrus fruits. Citrus fruits means lemon, orange, gooseberry, strawberry, etc. Then it helps to regulate nerve and muscle activities. Okay, nerves and muscles activities. Its deficiency disorder is muscular fatigue, nerve impulse do not get transmitted. Again, likewise the sodium deficiency. Okay, the next one is the iron. Iron is rich in spinach. Spinach means all green leaves. Okay, dates, greens, broccoli, whole cereals, nuts, fish and liver. So, it is important component of hemoglobin. What is hemoglobin, children? Hemoglobin is a red color pigment, okay, which is present in the blood. It helps to carry the oxygen to all the part of the body. So, it affects the hemoglobin level. So, it leads to anemia. Anemia means what? Decreased number of RBC. Okay. Then the last one is iodine, which is rich in milk, seafood. Seafood means crabs, prawn, fish, all the seafood items. Okay. And the iodized salt. Okay. The next, its function is formation of thyroid hormone. See, thyroid Thyroid hormone is thyroxine, which is called as a personality hormone. Okay, it helps to maintain the growth based on the age level. Okay, its deficiency disease is goiter. In front of the neck you can see the swelling. Okay, that is a goiter. Are you clear, children? So these are the important minerals, important nutrients present in the food. See, already I said food contains all the nutrients. What are the 5 nutrients present in the food? Carbohydrates, fat, vitamins, proteins and minerals. Okay, so we need quantity, not a quantity food, children, we need the quality food. Okay, that's why government enforced the act, Food and Adulteration Act. Okay, Food and Adulteration Act in the year 1954, which helps to prevent the adulteration. Okay, which helps to prevent the adulteration, which and all we can see the next classes. Okay, then next, how do you identify the food, children? For example, I like to tell 1 or 2 examples. For the agricultural product, you have to see the ACMARC seal. Okay, for industrial product, we have to see the ISI seal. Okay, likewise the fruit process order, that means FBO. These are the seal which helps to prevent the adulteration in the food items. Are you clear, children? Today's topic is over, children. The remaining topic and all we can see in the next class. Okay, you have to thoroughly read all the book inside and book back one word. Thank you.